The fiber laser cutting machine with Ray Tools cutting head. Friendis control system. Raycus 1500 watt laser source. Intelligent water chiller. Imported lens and mirrors. Japanese Fuji servo motor. Easy to operate and safe to use. Fast speed. Low noise. Smooth edge. Achieve a perfect cutting effect by only blowing compressed air during processing, which can largely reduce costs of auxiliary gas such as oxygen. Equipped with centralized lubrication system to make the machine run more stable. Widely used in 0.5 to 5 mm sheet metal processing, aviation, aerospace, electronics, electrical appliances, automobile, food machinery, textile machinery, engineering machinery, precision parts, ships, metallurgy equipment, elevators, household appliances, craft gifts, tool processing, decoration, advertising, and other fields.